Welcome to Tech Byte, where we break down the hottest tech deals. I'm your host, and today it's all about Black Friday MacBook deals. So let's get this started. Black Friday is just around the corner, but some retailers have already started their sales. Should you wait? Not if you spot a deal like the 2023 M2 MacBook Air for $1,049 on Amazon. Choosing the right MacBook can be daunting. Pro. It's the MacBook Pro for you. While the Air is your lighter companion, decide on size and spec for a quicker choice. Now, your price points. The M3 MacBook Pros start at $1,599. Don't forget official prices. The 2021 M1 MacBook Air, the cheapest, can often be found for less. Keep expectations real. Discount on MacBook Pro 13 and Air are usually around $200. For higher end models, you can expect saving of up to $700 after a year on the market. Big discounts come during Black Friday, but early bird deals can be tempting. We saw the 2022 M2 MacBook Air at a record low of $899. Keep an eye out. Now, where to hunt for deals? Amazon is great, but check out Best Buy, B&H Photo, Currys, and more. Avoid Apple for direct discounts. They might offer gift vouchers. Don't forget to consider trade-ins. Apple and Best Buy offer great trade-in options to save big on your new MacBook. That's a wrap up. Make the most of Black Friday MacBook deals and stay tuned for more technical tips. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. This is your Tech Byte signing off. Happy shopping!